Perfect. 50s and 100s.
You ready or what?
Run it.
Alright, I'm gapping you.
Probably will.
Hell no, I won't. Not in this.
We're good. Alright, Alex has the GoPro on. He's fucking tall as hell, bro.
Bro,
Right.
there you go. Dude, this makes me feel like a mammoth.
Show him his tail.
Okay, yeah, so.
The tail head bull.
Yeah, see that? The thing's a little janky.
Yeah.
And
It's supposed to be like that.
yeah,
Not like that.
no. And though this is missing, right? Intentionally, right?
Well, it's because I have the actual harness.
Okay.
But
You have to splice into it.
No, you have to splice into it. So it's the 99 to 01 harness.
Oh, okay.
But right now I have the GT harness.
Okay,
I
okay.
mean, it doesn't matter, but I really do want to do it because you can make these into the turn signal.
Oh, really? That'd be sick.
Yeah, that's why.
That's different. Things just dangling around. Where'd you get these taillights from?
eBay.
eBay?
But I paid a pretty price for them.
Uh-oh.
I paid like, how much did I pay for them, dude? I don't even know. Like $1,000 maybe.
Huh?
These taillights go for hella.
And there it is. Me in the morning.
I was gonna say.
Yo, there's no way.
Right,
So
I need you to hold this taillight real quick.
yeah, I got you.
Yeah.
So we're replacing it with this Bufia. No, I'm just kidding. Is it the same exact
Bro,
connector?
yeah, it's the same one, dude.
Okay.
What the f? What brand are these?
LED lightings.
Axial. Hey, what if I just like...
There you go. There you go.
No, it's
actually,
gonna-
yeah, it's
Nah,
gonna
yeah,
pop
fuck
off.
that. This
But
thing's-
that light still works
It
technically.
still works. Oh, what the f? It still technically works, so...
I
I'll
mean-
just keep it as backup.
There you go. Better to be safe than sorry. She's about to be sorry right now.
Yeah. Now all I have to do is this.
Oh, hold on.
Bro, it's stupid. Oh, take it.
Bing bong.
Hey.
Hey,
What's up?
hey.
Huh?
Yeah, I left early from me.
Yeah, fool. So Christian has your wheel now.
Oh, I was gonna say dude to Alex.
Oh my. Bro, this fool doesn't say anything.
This
bruh.
guy's freaking Android.
Well, I didn't see anybody.
Freaking Android owner.
Don't
Oh, my bad. My freaking Android owners, bro.
Chris, you were there at the meet and you didn't even say what's up.
Bro, I didn't even see you. Where were you?
Bro, I went around that building like 4 times, bro.
You're fucking lying, bro. Stop playing.
Swear to God, I was there from like 8:50.
We got there at fucking 10 o'clock. Or yeah.
No, I was already leaving.
Bruh.
It's cooked.
Wait, what's the plan for today?
I got church, you dumbass.
Oh no, we already know you all holy and stuff over there.
Yeah, my bad, bro. Let's try having morals and not hoes.
No, I don't have the second part of that, bro. I have the first part.
Hey, that was already cracked, right?
Huh? Yeah, it was.
Okay.
Oh, hey, the reason why these taillights were cheap was because of that.
Oh, really?
So if this wasn't here, I would have paid $1,500.
That was still 1,000?
Yeah.
Holy. Bing bong.
I forgot to start the video, so it's good, y'all. It's your boy Chris, the Carrot, and my fiance Jenny. Back at it again. Hope y'all doing good. Hope everything's good. All that stuff. We got car parts.
Thanks for the antenna.
All right, baby. You're gonna do all this. There you go. Good job. I'm gonna make my fiance do all this because I don't want to do anything and I'm lazy.
Did you take off this one?
I didn't take off anything.
We're missing one right here.
Really?
Probably gotta take off the sub too. Oh. I'm just like Jehovah's Witness.
It's true. Here, let Jenny do it. What the hell?
Oh yeah, my bad. Here, my bad.
I'm doing something else. You do it.
No, you do it. We just gotta move the sub. That's it.
Oh, there's a cat under the car. Meow.
This cat's
It turned.
everywhere,
It
bro.
turned.
It turned. Oh yeah.
Meow,
It's right there.
meow. Don't tell me there's 4 bolts. Some of there's only 2.
No. There's. Hold on. Wait. I think there's. Do you see those 2 bolts right there?
Oh my god. Man.
Yeah. Oh, bro.
Wait, babe, check to see if it's a 10. Hold this.
How you telling me to check and?
Sorry.
I should say.
Is it 10?
No,
It's an 8.
Quarter?
Ah, shit.
Oh, it's an 8. Yep. Hey, stop touching my booty.
The camera.
Hey!
You're getting close to the crack. Oh my god, now you actually touched the crack. Motherfucker. Here, you do this shit.
No.
Stop touching my ass.
It's serpentine. It's serpentine. My name is Serpentine. Hi. Hi.
Gilman?
We named him.
Oh.
Hi. Hi.
What's up, Jenny?
No, kitty. No. Don't piss on me. Oh,
Nah, you got scared.
stupid ass. Oh, he came back out. Oh, you babe, you scared him. Yeah. Tell him.
Yeah.
You already opened it.
Yeah, low battery.
Ah, shit.
Quick reveal. Oh.
Can I take off the plastic?
Wait.
It's not as
Unlock
bright.
it.
It already is.
I mean, lock the
You-
door. I'm sorry.
You already freaking turned it on, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Yo. Turn signal now?
No, it's
I
the
like
hazards.
Oh yeah, hazards.
What?
That shit look the same.
Wait, I thought it was sequential.
My
Bruh.
lights already are sequential.
No, with the hazard. Like, I thought it was.
Maybe no. Try the turn signal. Just see.
Hey, he said me.
Wrong baby. You gotta specify which one.
Look.
No. That?
Yeah, so look, because watch.
No, it's not.
Wait, does it?
No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, it does.
It
see
doesn't. But it does both. Did it do that for both, or did it only do Oh, it does. Yeah, it does. Wait, hold on.
Yeah.
Try that one more time. I feel like so stupid watching this.
No,
This
it's
one,
working.
it kind of looks slow.
They're the same. Yeah,
I just thought the hazard was the, like,
yeah, me too. Like
Bruh.
the.
Woo!
well, they look sick, so.
Okay, that is the halfway done mark.
Yeah, we'll catch up with you guys after. Before the GoPro dies, look, we had to remove the sub,
Bracket for the sub.
the bracket for the sub, just to get to this bolt, that bolt right there, to that one. The other two were fine, but we had to remove that, just to get to, damn it, bolt, just to get to this bolt. Luckily, the other side ain't like that. My baby did it all by herself. Look, she installed those taillights. Oh, you wait, thumbnail. Yeah, my baby did it. It looks good, huh? Looks very good. Talk about you.
Oh,
Yup.
like 15 bucks. I'll buy it right now.
Yup. And then she's gonna get like a little coyote decal right there. It looks really good with this color.
Is this my first? No, my first one.
Oh, wait, this is a good thumbnail. Do it again. Yep. Wait. Sorry, one more time. Yeah.
This is like my second mod, right?
Yeah, because
My wheels are my first.
wheels, the wicker bill. Oh, I didn't use that footage yet, so I'm gonna just throw the wicker bill footage in after this. Cue it, baby. Cue it. Alright, baby, close it out.
50s and 100s.
Shout out to my detailer, because look how clean my
Money
girl's car
moves, they
looks.
gon'
And
keep
mine.
'em hella
Mine's
mad,
over there,
bitch.
but it's too far.
50s and 100s, yeah, I count a little bitch. A couple bands up in my pocket change, little bitch. 50s and 100s, yeah, I count a little bitch. A couple bands up in my pocket change, little bitch.